All right, so we've got another Supra owner here. What's your name, brother, by the way?
My name is Albie.
Albie, do you have Instagram or anything?
Yes, Instagram is Supra_BMW_.
Okay, that's easy enough. I'll put that down below for y'all. So guys, if you can't tell, this is anthracite. Like this is, when it comes to rare colors for a Supra, this is about as rare as it gets. Is this an original V160 turbo car?
No, it was
a swap?
NA automatic.
Okay, wow, and you did it all right, because this is a V160 now, correct?
Yes, it is.
It's beautiful, man, absolutely beautiful. So obviously, give us a quick rundown here if you can.
It's a Precision 6767 3-inch straight pipe oil catch can on a V2 AM computer. Dynoed only 400 wheel. So all my money went to the V160.
No, dude, you got to start somewhere. You got everything there. Just a little bit more money and a little bit more time, you'll get there.
Check this out. Got the custom wheel with the Recaro.
What? All right, let me come around here. Shut that door. I don't want to squeeze between your car and theirs. Just so I can. Yep. Guys, look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. Love the Recaros. Even love the red shift boot stuff. Interior looks pretty darn clean too. It is a Targa car, guys. It is a Targa car. Is it straight pipe? Because it sounded pretty loud.
What an HKS resonator.
Nice. Let me shut your door here for you. It is a clean car, bro. Very clean. So how long have you owned it?
6 years.
6 years? All right, so you're like me, you've had your car for a while.
Yes.
That's awesome, man. I love it. You can tell you have a lot of passion behind it. I can see how happy you are.
I love the thing. It's gorgeous.
So what's the goals? Where are you trying to be at?
900 wheel.
900 wheel?
900
All right, that's where I'm at, like 882 with mine, and it's like a happy spot that the block doesn't blow up and you don't send a rod through it.
Next is just a fuel setup, then it should be ready to rip.
Yep. Awesome, man. Thank you very much, brother. I appreciate your time.
Gotcha.
Colton, what do you think?
About what? This meat?
I mean, dude, look at this. No door handles, sweet paint.
Kind of super money, but I like it.
I love it. I don't know. I think it's cool, man. You can't even see where they shaved the door handle out.
It's a project. No.
Oh, this is y'all's?
No, it's mine.
Hell yeah. Dope.
What's the color? What's the color?
Originally?
Yeah.
Red.
Or okay.
The engine bay's still red. I'm gonna pull it out and I'm gonna paint the engine right now.
The only reason I knew it was GT because I saw the brakes, and I assumed that you didn't swap those over just from the way they look right now. I assume those are original factory ones. I think that's pretty cool. Damn.
Couldn't have found a smaller turbo, huh?
Would love it. So it's driving fine now? No issues, no breakup, no problem?
I'm still having a slight hiccup in it, but it runs pretty good. $4 and up. It runs like a dog, but.
So it's got a break, obviously a breakup issue. Starts right up. I can hear it now. Up, down. Picture. Mike, this right there.
All right, Ryan, tell us what we're doing here.
We're zip tying my fender plastics because apparently, if you turn your wheels and your fender plastics hit your tire, they can impound you. So, me being me, I'm like, what if we zip tie the plastics and pull them forward? And they won't be able to see it, and they won't fucking know.
There we go.
So I'm hoping this works, but there's no guarantee. So literally what I'm gonna do is you guys come in here, taking the zip tie, I'm gonna attach my intercooler piping and pull it forward like that. That's my wheels at full turn right now, and you'll see it doesn't touch. So they can go get bent.
iconic.
Oh, he took the top off.
Don't fuck this up, Colton.
Sorry. No, he's good.
All right.
Damn, that's pretty good. I'm actually.
Damn. All right.
Bro, it felt like it was raining over here.
Good job, Colton.
Damn.
They literally just put him on yesterday,
Oh, all right. He'll be
so he'll be fine.
Yeah, he'll be fine.
Hey man, what's going on?
Hey dude.
How are you?
Great. Well, I just got a few months ago, 94 R33 GTST, pretty much bone stock, absolutely, you know, pristine. They resprayed it before it got here. The interior is mint. I'll show you the engine.
Oh my god, it literally is mint.
Yeah, no, it's still got the OG JDM crust. This thing's in great shape. It's got a cool, you know, decent kit on it, nothing crazy, decent exhaust. It's got nice Cusco coilovers, but like, it's stock. I drive this thing all the time. I've already put like 4,000 miles on it. I've had it for like 3 months.
No way.
I've been ripping this thing all the time.
So the wing to me is like screams like old Veilside. Do you remember the company Veilside?
Yeah. I don't even know what it's from. I've been trying to find it. You see like Violent stickers on it.
Oh wow!
Probably
so it had Violent Click stuff on it from back those guys.
Yep, there was a Power FC screwed into the dash.
So that's what the screws. Obviously, I'm not gonna be that guy. I was one of the screws.
Yeah, but they compression tested the motor. They leak down tested. This thing is mint before I got it.
Dude, fucking
Here, look,
sick.
I'll show you some.
Oh shoot,
Classic.
guys! Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the engine.
OEM.
The most important part.
OEM.
I love it.
All the way.
OEM AF.
Dude, big time. This thing, like,
is it reliable?
Oh my God, yeah. I just
That's
drove.
what matters.
We were sitting in traffic for like 3 hours yesterday. No
problem.
Yeah, no problem.
Does it have AC?
It's got AC. It leaks a little bit, but it works.
That's what matters.
I charged it. I was all hyped. I was like, yo, this is ice cold. And I turned the car off. All you hear is psst. It's all
no,
pissing
man.
out. Yeah. But dude, I drove this. We put, what, 11 hours on this car yesterday. Yeah. I drive it to work.
That was nuts. Thing runs great.
All the time, yeah. Cruise on it. I beat on it all the time. I beat on my stuff. Burnouts, you know, donuts.
You're happy though.
You have to do it. Oh, I'm in love.
Dude, I'm happy for you, man.
Yeah, before this I put an RB20 in an S13 coupe, and the RB25 and the Skyline, it's just worlds better, I think.
So for me, guys, like, I actually appreciate GTST over a GTR. Before you guys say anything, I like rear-wheel drive over all-wheel drive. I just think the driving experience is more fun. Just a little bit more. It's not even like getting sideways, just a little bit more extra like play, right?
Exactly, 100%. Yeah. I mean, if it was all-wheel drive, it'd almost be a little boring.
It is a little boring. So like, this is perfect. Do you know how much power you're making right now?
Oh, factory, it's like 250, but it keeps up with some decent cars. I don't know if it's just the gearing or if someone put a tune on it, but it moves. It's a lot of fun.
Nice, man.
For a stock car, it's a lot of fun.
Now, what are the wheels? And we're trying to figure out, what are those wheels? What are
They're
they?
Wed Cerberus ones.
Weds, okay.
Yep. I just got them. They had TC05s on it when they shipped the car over, which are fairly rare, but they didn't really belong on it. So I bought these before the car landed. I found them for a steal, and they came in about 3-4 weeks ago, and I threw them on. I got tires within a week, and now the thing cruises like a dream.
Dude, it is a nice car. Like I said, it's very, I don't know how to explain it. It's not like where people say like, I want to keep it factory fresh, but I love the wing. I'm older, so I like that style wing. I like that era stuff. The fenders and stuff. So guys, these aren't obviously factory fenders. For most of y'all, you don't know. That's not factory, but that little bit of touch and the wideness of it, I love it. I absolutely love it, man. Dude, thank you so much for this.
Yeah,
what's your Instagram or what's your YouTube?
JCABRILA. Follow me on Instagram. I've got other junk.
Down below.
Volkswagen Corrado's the next build. It's in my garage.
Ooh, you like Corrado. Wait, that'll be another video. Hold on, time out. We'll talk about it another time.
Yes.
Corrado Life. Again, what's your Instagram? Say it one more time.
JCABRILA. Jacob Brilla.
Got you guys down below. Click it. Thank you very much, man.
Yeah.